Hey, I'm near Bahar Core Construction, and it's a very rainy day, but a perfect day for me to explain a water diversion system that I created at my house in order to divert water away from the house. As a lot of homeowners who have single detached homes know, water is a big issue with water hitting the foundation, seeping into the house. People have sump pumps and try to come out, but it really doesn't address the science of what's happening and the science of what needs to be applied in order to keep water away. So I'm going to show you what I did. Now, right now you can see, if you look out, so I live at the bottom of a small hill, and you can see all this water that comes down to my house from all the way up top there, right? So it's a big problem if you don't have a solution for it. I mean, again, look at all this water. So when I first bought the house had dirt up against it, which was a huge red flag. And so what I had to do, let me actually cover this. Let me get an umbrella. That would help to protect the camera. Make sure I have one. Just give me a moment. No, I didn't think about it at first, but I'm thinking about it now. Here we go. Okay, bear with me, everyone. So, getting back to the solution to the problem. All right. So, what I had to do was a couple things. Now, look how the water builds up here. Again, all this water is coming down and meeting my house. So, first thing I did was build a concrete perimeter. See, it goes all the way around the house. Yes, 6 feet of concrete pitched away from the house so that if water hits the house, it goes down. Now, the most important thing, though, is what you see here. You see this rock assembly? This is a swale, okay? A swale was something like a ditch, and it's over 100 feet long. It wraps all the way around the house. This swale is 18 inches deep, and it's filled with larger rocks, and then at the top we have smaller rocks, and it's pitched, and it had perforated pipe inside. And another thing I did was my downspouts, I decided to connect them to PVC pipe, bury them in the ground, and guess where they lead out to? The swale, deep in the swale. So I have this system here, this swale, that collects all the water that's coming down from up top, and it's pitched, and luckily the ground was naturally pitched as well, and the water travels all the way down, including the water in the pipe, all the way down to where? The side of the house. And you can see it in action working. Look at that water coming out of the bottom of there. Look at that water. It's almost like a river. So what I did was create a situation. Look at all this water flowing down. Even here, I have my downspouts, as you can see, trenched in the ground, coming out of PVC pipe. I'm sorry, PVC pipe. We got one, we got two. Again, my concrete perimeter. This was to make sure that there was no water buildup right next to the foundation of the house. So that takes care of water and the foundation. And this, yeah, we have a slight leak here. So this is stained, this concrete right here. We have a slight water leak. That's something actually not important to this discussion, but I know people like to see things and notice things. Anyway, all this water coming down, it's flowing down, and the water that meets the house is met here at the swale, comes into the swale, as you can see here, and the water is diverted all the way to the side of the house. So this was a massive engineering accomplishment that we had to do. Took a lot of equipment, a lot of manpower, but I have no sump pump in my basement, and I have no water in the basement. I mean, it doesn't even smell like a lot of people's basement with that watery smell. So again, this is my water diversion system that was created in the front of the house, which includes the concrete, which includes the trenching and burying underground my downspouts, and then this swale system that collects all the water and throws it to the side of the house. This is type of innovation that we need in today's housing. So thanks for watching, and hope it can help somebody out.